Today I will be showing you how to thread a vintage Singer Model 403A sewing machine. Make sure that your sewing machine is unplugged before threading your sewing machine. Lift the presser foot. Then turn the hand wheel towards you, raising the take-up lever to the highest point. The second step is to place the thread on the spool pin. And pull the thread through the various points. You will pull the thread from the spool pin to the first thread guide. Then you will pull the thread down to the tension assembly. Holding the thread with your thumb will make pulling the thread through the tension assembly and the tension spring much easier. Now take your thumb and guide the thread through the second guide. Turn the hand wheel towards you, raising the take-up lever to the highest point. Now you can thread the take-up lever. Pull the thread through and take it to the next guide. Now you will take it through 3 more guides before you thread the needle. There's 1, 2, and 3. Now it is time to thread the needle. I like to bring my presser foot down to make seeing the needle eye much easier. And I'll lift up the presser foot and bring the thread towards the back. Now we'll be inserting the bobbin. Open the case. I will have the bobbin thread on the right side. So when I pull the thread, the bobbin will be turning counterclockwise. I hold the bobbin, put it through the first section and through this section. I can close, hold the upper thread and turn the hand wheel as I pull the thread. I'll make a loop and I can pull the lower thread or the bobbin thread to the top. And then place the threads in the back. Now you are ready to sew. Winding the bobbin. First, loosen stop motion screw with right hand. Raise bobbin winder and position bobbin on spindle. Press winder against hand wheel. Place thread on spool pin and guide thread between bobbin winder and tension discs. Thread through left hole on side of bobbin. Hold thread and begin winding by pressing down on the control foot gently. When the thread comes back, snip close to the bobbin so you will not have any thread tails, and continue winding slowly. This makes sure the thread does not jump off the bobbin and the tension discs. When you're satisfied with the amount of thread or the bobbin stops, clip, remove bobbin, make sure you push this down, and now you have a bobbin ready to sew.